So I thought you guys would enjoy maybe a little more about some of the fun stuff the large tool set has to offer. So first thing we're going to do is going ahead and adding some dimensions and leaders. And so what these do is it gives us the actual dimensions. You just click on that, just like we did in AutoCAD, click, and you can lift it up on the blue axis, down to the side. We actually get the dimensions right there. Or we can go and click and I'll be like, boom, I can have that. It actually give me the number. I don't care about the number. Okay. I'm going to call this my tablet, and then click on the arrow and click away. You can see that's what it is, and it kind of floats around and it's attached to it. So it's attached to it in 3D space. So that's one of the neat little things that we've got with our dimension tool here. We've also got our Protractor. Protractor, if I click over here, we can see we've got our blue axes. If we're down that way, I'm going to set it up so you can see this. We can figure out what this angle is now that I've drawn it. On the green, I click on one side, and then I rotate to the other. I'm going to go to this corner so it'll actually lock in, and it'll tell me what that angle is. This is also good if you were going to draw something and you wanted the Protractor to give you an exact angle. So I can click on here, I can click there, and when I come into the inner part, it snaps to those inner part pieces. If I'm out here, I can get it pretty close, but it's way easier if I move the cursor to the inside and I can get over there. So if I wanted like 120 degrees, click, it draws that diagonal line for me. That way I can go click onto there and come across with my line. And just like that, I used the Protractor to give me that 120 degree angle that I needed. And so that is the Protractor and the dimensioning tool with the leaders. Let's look at 3D text. I click on that. It pops up with a window. I type in, "This is my text." Whatever I want it filled and extruded, and it gives me a height and an inches. I'm not too worried about that because I can always change that with the scale. I click place, put it down. All right, and you can see if I press scale, I can make it taller. And if I want it to make it bigger, I just grab the opposite, uniform on the opposite, and I can make it all big, or I can use the one in the middle and move it out this way. If I hold down Shift, it keeps it proportional. And then now I've got text that's very, very large, and it's all one group, so I can color it all at one time.